रिया ने सुशांत की फैमिली से उनके आदतें छुपाई क्योंकि वो खुद उनके साथ बैंड सब्सटेंसेस कंज्यूम करना चाहती थी। अगर उन्हें पता था कि सुशांत is battling mental health issues, why did she allow him to consume banned substances? These are the allegations being made by Ankita Lokhande in social media statements against Riya Chakrabarti, who was arrested for procuring and consuming banned substances with the late actor. After Riya's arrest earlier this week on charges of procurement and consumption of banned substances, which she undertook along with Sushant, Ankita had shared a post which said, "Nothing happens by chance, by fate. You create your own fate by your actions. That's karma." Ankita had also commented on Sushant's sister Shweta's post celebrating Riya's arrest and dropped heart emojis in reaction to her statements about truth and justice prevailing. Well guys, there seems to be a war of words that has emerged between supporters of Riya Chakrabarti and Sushant's ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande, who has been supporting Sushant's family and has been rather against Riya Chakrabarti all along. Now, after having shared a cryptic post about karma which seemed to have been directed at Riya Chakrabarti, Ankita Lokhande has now shared a detailed statement accusing Riya Chakrabarti of multiple things. Now, this has not gone down well with supporters of Riya Chakrabarti, and they're calling Ankita an opportunist and someone looking for publicity. Here's the story. Actor Shibani Dandekar, who has been vocal in her support for Riya, had taken an indirect jibe at Ankita and commented about people knowing a lot about fate and karma, and added, "You know who you are." Perhaps in response to this post and Riya's earlier allegations of Ankita commenting on the matter, though she claimed she wasn't in touch with Sushant since 2016, Ankita has put out a long note on social media where she claims she only wants justice for her late friend and his family. Clarifying that she had never commented about how Sushant passed away and whether she suspected foul play, Ankita alleged that she has only based her comments based on her knowledge of Sushant till 2016. She also added that, "I have total faith in the Maharashtra state government, police and central government instrumentalities." In her post, Ankita questions why Riya allowed Sushant to consume banned substances if she knew he was battling mental health issues. On the one hand, she says she was coordinating with all the doctors for his betterment of health on request of Sushant Singh Rajput, and on the other hand, she was coordinating logistics for him. Should she have allowed a depressed man to consume drugs? How is that going to help? His condition would deteriorate to a level that would make a man take the action that Sushant Singh Rajput has allegedly taken. She was the closest person to him at the time. She also goes on to question why Riya didn't inform Sushant's family if he was getting dependent on banned substances. As per her, she informed his family about his ongoing treatment, but did she ever inform them about his consumption? I'm sure she didn't, because maybe she herself enjoyed consuming it. And this is why I feel it's karma or fate. However, it looks like Ankita's explanatory and accusatory note has not gone down well with those supporting Riya. Shibani Dandekar on social media expressing her disgust on the contents of the note and accusing Ankita of playing a role in what is being called a witch hunt against Riya. Such a grotesque letter by Ankita. This princess of patriarchy, who has never dealt with her own relationship issues with Sushant, clearly she wants her 2 seconds of fame and has capitalized on Riya being arrested. She has played a major role in this witch hunt and she needs to be called out. Enough, Ankita. No one has more hate in their heart than you. One can only hope that after weeks of an increasingly hostile battle between different sides, the actual truth of what caused Sushant's ultimate demise finally emerges.